things about FutureEverything is we've developed a model we call Festival as Lab. We've borrowed methods from design, from computer science, and the principle there is that if you want to test and develop a new idea, a new innovation, the right place to do that isn't in a laboratory, it's where people are going to use it.
You become more aware when you're tending the city, what you kind of give away on data, but by the same time, at one point I became aware also everything that I see will be also being seen later on. So it's kind of a give and take of data.
I'm intrigued by what's going to happen when I start cycling.
The mobile phone captures GPS data, but it also captures social data. This data is then pushed to the cloud, and we can then draw on that data and use it in a publication which we release at the end of each day.
So we'll now see it emerging from the printer there as though the participants, people who've been involved in the study, are actually contesting what the academics think about their work.
I find the idea of giving data with consent very interesting. It was something that one of the speakers touched upon in his talks today.
I think the interest in participating is the different way it enables you to experience the city. You're capturing data, you're seeing yourself on a map, but you can also interact with the other players as well. We also had a number of projects that were conceived and developed as part of the FutureEverything Moscow Festival. In particular, there was one workshop that led to 4 prototypes that we brought to the festival in Manchester and staged as experiments.
We want to show you the new way of gathering feedback we call touchback.
Things as the single place where data about things is being fixed permanently and open to public.
We created a service which allows everybody to avoid excessive communication online on social networks.
Over the years, we've developed a very close relationship with the City of Manchester. We can offer the city as a playground to our artists and to designers, and we have people come and develop new projects, new apps, new interfaces, which give new ways to experience the city.
Today is the Lean Startup Weekend, and what we're looking to do is help groups form around ideas and help those groups develop those ideas and take them forward as sort of fully functioning services and applications.
People with mobility issues find the urban environment difficult to navigate. Because of that, they would like to feed back to someone in a timely fashion to do that.
I thought it was a great opportunity to explore more and find out and meet people that's in the industry.
By presenting their work here, the finalists are building networks and looking for connections to help them progress their projects and take them on beyond this sort of early prototype stage.
Superglue, it is about empowering the users to walk away from centralized web and commercialized web services.
Because you're basically getting your own little server and you're hosting everything yourself. So it's a good introduction to that kind of DIY approach to the internet.
We are running a workshop here called the Global Future Lab, where we've got a team of 10 international participants who have come to take part in a workshop where they are being critically and conceptually challenged about their practices, their projects, their products, and their business ideas as well.
Amazing just to think, particularly with the participants, that everybody's just descended on Manchester from all around the world. All these people, they were all sort of flying in from Japan and South Korea and Nigeria, and it was like a sort of global summit of like clever innovation. It's such a brilliant thing.
How about the future? How we want to design or how we think about the future?
It's like being locked in a room with like loads of different features happening at the same time and everyone contributing to it. So it's really helped me kind of become more agile and prepare myself for different features that the project itself could have.
We use the space of the festival, which is a space where many people come together for experimental activities, and we've given a little tweak so that we use that as a framework for research, for development, for co-creation.